I will start the class. So today's we are having a accounting section in which I will discuss with you the main perspectives of this topic or distribution of profit and loss. In the previous lecture, we have discussed different factors that what are those factors by which partners are distributing their net income. This is your syllabus chapter 2, which we are discussing right now. If we are talking about the book chapter from your book Petiwala in third edition and fourth edition, this is your chapter 6, distribution of profit and loss, which I have discussed with you, that it is basically the division of profit, how partners are distributing the net income which they have prepared from the financial statement. Hope so now it is clear. Okay, bete? Now I proceed towards this picture. This picture gives us a view that where we have income statement. So this income statement gives us the two way, whether it can be a profit, it can be your loss. Basically, we are planning for the business to earn profit, for the generation of fruitful profit. But what will happen, loss will also occur. So business is a name of risk, and we do have the uncertainties in the profit and loss. So we are not that much sure that whether always 100% we have the profit or 100% we have the loss. It's again our depends upon the income statement, our revenues and our expenses. Then we have this format of income distribution summary. Girls, what I have noticed in few things, that if the partners capitals are not given, you have to put the cross and then you have to leave this column as it is, like cross, but show this column at least. Another point I want to discuss, that kindly make this column, make this format twice or thrice at home, so that you people will be capable enough to go through for the format. At least you must know the format. Once you know the format, then you will be able to solve the question. These are the journal entries every day, and even till the end of this topic. This is the most important, because in the examination they will ask you two things repeatedly: the journal entries and the income distribution summary. This is called income distribution summary. Okay, so this is the most important part, and after summary they will ask you to prepare the journal entries. Journal entries have two types. Kindly revise with me. It has the two types, the fluctuating and the fixed. If I talked about fluctuating, we consider the capital. Okay, we consider or we use the word capital with the fluctuating. If fluctuating capital method and it is a quotient of net profit, then capital will be credited. I repeat, because many students have this problem. We are using fluctuating capital method. In fluctuating, we use the term capital, and whenever we have fluctuating capital method with net profit, we credited the capital. Clear? This is again your fluctuating capital method when we are using the word capital over here, and whenever we have the net loss, we always debited it. Capital will be debited, because capital जो loss है वो capital में से minus होता है, that's why. Then bete, we have fixed capital method. In this fixed capital method, we are using the word current account, because profit is adding to the partner's current account, and their capitals are fixed in the start of the business and also in the end of the business, and net profit will be increased. So we are crediting the current account of the partner. This is again your fixed capital method, but in this journal entry, this is the method of loss. Whenever in the question we have loss, then we will make the current account debited, because by loss the current accounts are decreasing. This is your today's question. This is your problem number 3 on book page number 148. Okay. In the old book, it is problem number 3. And let me confirm, it is also a problem number 3 in the new edition also, and on the same book page number. So both the books have same page numbers, 148. It is the same in the new edition, and it is same in the old edition. So you should not be bothered. Okay. I proceed towards the question format. Okay, what we will discuss over here. we have Mr. A, B, and C are partners in a business. It means three partners in a business. A, B, and C, we will make three columns for the partners. On January 1st, 2003, their capital balances were 550,000, 600,000, 700,000. So these are the name of the partners. The date is also given. You must highlight the points I'm telling you. Focus your date, focus the capitals which are given, and we have three partners. Capital of A 550, B 600, and C 700. Okay? The partnership deed has the following provision regarding the distribution of net income. Now बेटे these are your adjustment. ठीक है, हमारे पास इस वक्त कितनी adjustment मौजूद है? 1, 2, 3, and this is called condition of distribution net profit. ठीक है, इसको मैं हमेशा कंडीशन का वर्ड बोलती हूँ आप लोग के साथ. कंडीशन मीन जब आपके पास रिमेनिंग नेट प्रॉफिट या लॉस आता है ना, तो उसको आपने कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. ठीक है बेटे. Then we have three adjustments over here. मैं आपके साथ पहले adjustment go through करती हूँ, then we will move further. Each partner will be allowed a monthly salary 8,000. Monthly salary means 8,000. You have 8,000 per month. The month is starting from January. So you have to multiply 8,000 by 12. इसके आगे pencil से working कर लें, because it is your per month salary 8,000 and you are receiving from January till December. देखें January से start हो रही है और आपके पास required में लिखा हुआ है on December 31st, 2003 the business operation showed a net profit 450. तो ये आपके पास पूरे 12 months होते हैं ना बेटे. Then multiply by 12. Number 2, bonus to Mr. A, B, and C is 18,000, 25,000, and 32,000. कोई मंथ मेंशन नहीं है, ना लिखा है पर मंथ, ना लिखा है पर एनम. आप लोग एज इट इज यही अमाउंट अपनी इनकम डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन समरी में मेंशन करेंगे. Then we have number 3. This is each partner is to receive profit 10% on capital balances. These are your capital balances. 550,000. Then 10% will be इसकी working show करिएगा. Working number 1 for Mr. A, working number 2 for Mr. B, and working number 3 for Mr. C. ठीक है. The working for Mr. A will be 550,000 multiplied by 10 divided by 100 simultaneously for B and simultaneously for C. The condition I'm going through, what is the condition we are talking about? The remaining net profit and loss is divided in the ratio of 1:2:3. ठीक है बेटे, ये आपका distributing ratio रहेगा. I proceed. This is your required part, जिसमें से आपको एग्जाम में बहुत अच्छे नंबर मिलेंगे इंशाल्लाह. So what you have to prepare to get the good marks, you have to prepare the income distribution summary, and secondly you have to prepare the necessary journal entries. ठीक है, for the profit and loss by two methods. They have given you two ways, by fixed and by fluctuating. अगर net profit आता है बेटा आपका आंसर, तो net profit by fixed भी बनाइएगा, net profit by fluctuating भी बनाइएगा. अगर आपको लगता है हमारा नेट लॉस आंसर आया है, तो नेट लॉस की जर्नल एंट्री बाय फिक्स्ड कैपिटल मेथड भी बनेगी एंड बाय फ्लक्चुएटिंग कैपिटल भी होगी. ठीक है, आई प्रोसीड. Then we have format of income distribution summary. Yes, what this format of income distribution summary? We have capitals at the top, then income in the last column, and then we have salaries, commission, bonus, interest on commission. All these are adjustments which will be given in the question. The total first of all we do vertical totaling, and then we get this answer. Then we will add horizontal totaling, and then we will get the remaining net profit or loss over here. This remaining profit and loss will be distributed as per the condition given. Clear? Okay, fine. Distribution of net profit. Yes, the net income given in the question is 450. You all can see. Kindly solve with me right now in the class. Here you have to show salaries. Bracket में लिखिएगा 8,000 multiplied by 12. You have to write it down here where I am moving my cursor. This hand, 8,000 multiplied by 10. Sorry, multiplied by 12. ठीक है, so 8,000 multiplied by 12, 96,000 to Mr. A, 96,000 to Mr. B, and 96,000 to Mr. C. Clear? Then we have commission. As it is, we are writing 18,000, 25,000, and 32,000. It is already given. As I told you just now, The 10% of capital means it's 550,000 your capital, then 10 multiplied by 10 divided by 100. It is 600,000, again 10%. Hope so you all are capable enough to do it, because we have done this a lot in the previous chapter. Then what you have to do? You have to do it vertical totaling 96,000, 18,000, 55,000. ठीक है बेटे? Then after vertical totaling of Mr. A, B and C, we will do horizontal totaling of this. 169,000, 181,000, 198,000. This is your horizontal totaling. Clear? Then 450 minus 548. Yes, here this amount is bigger. What will be the answer? This will be your negative answer is 98,000, and this is your negative answer. Okay? Now, this is little bit a strategical part of this question. What is the strategy? That our net income is less than the expenses. Revenue is less than the expenses. हमने ज़्यादा expenses कर लिए हैं. Partners को 548 दे दिए, जबकि हमने इतनी income generate नहीं करी थी. So our firm is suffering a loss. Now 98,000 will be distributed as per the ratios given. Ratios are given in the question. What are the given factor? We have over here the ratios 1:2:3, 98,000. इसकी working show करेंगे आप. 98,000 for Mr. A, B and C. तीनों partners की working show कीजिएगा. 98,000 multiplied by 1 divided by 6, because sum of ratios is 6. Hope so you all are capable enough, because I have done with you in the previous chapter of partnership formation that how we are applying the ratios. So 98,000 multiplied by 1 divided by 6 for capital Mr. A, remaining loss. Then 98,000 multiplied by 2 divided by 6, and then 98,000 multiplied by 3 divided by 6. You will get these values. Kindly solve with me. So I am going slow and smoothly just for you people. अच्छा, now here is the problem. जब भी ये लोग net loss को distribute कर रहे हैं, because this is your negative value ना 98,000, तो distribution करते वक्त यहाँ पे आपके पास bracket आ जाएगा. ये गौर से देखें, ठीक है? नेगेटिव वैल्यू को जब हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे तो आंसर भी नेगेटिव में ही आएगा. यहाँ पे देखिए ब्रैकेट लगा हुआ है. इससे पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में, द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन, हमारे पास क्योंकि यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव आंसर था तो हम यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट नहीं पुट करते थे, बट हियर वी हैव नेगेटिव आंसर ऑफ नेट लॉस ना, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम पुटिंग ब्रैकेट ऑफ दीज वैल्यूज. क्लियर? Then what I will do again the vertical calculation. 169,000 minus 16,333, 333. Okay, and I will get this answer 152,667. Then 181,000 minus 32,667, I get 148,333. Then 198,000 minus 49,000, I get this answer 149,000, and your answer is nil. How it comes to nil? You have to check the verification. Now another working, put the heading of verification, add these three values, 152,666 plus 148,333, 149,000. Add these three values and your answer should be equal to 450, this 450. Okay, clear? Now you have to add these three values in the verification and your answer should be equal to 450. I repeat once again, हमें working की कहाँ ज़रूरत पड़ेगी? You have to show the working for salaries. You need to show working for the capital, 3 working for capital, working A, B and C, working 1, 2, 3 for Mr. A, B and C. Then you have to show the working for the distribution of net loss. Again, 3 workings are here for Mr. A, B and C. So total working will be a 7 working that you have to do. Clear? I proceed. Okay, fine. This is your journal entry of distribution of net loss we are talking about. You people are agree this is the correct journal entry of net loss? We are you can say distributing net loss. This is your 450,000 and we have 152 and 152. Now what we have to consider, we have to consider the values in such a way that the profit and loss should be distributed. Wait for a while. Yes. Uh, Wait for a while, girls. Wait. Yes, you have to consider this point in your mind that whenever we are making the journal entries for the profit and loss, we should be considered that whether we are distributing our profit or we are distributing our loss. So the journal entry for this we are making, I proceed further. Yes, we have profit and loss 450,000 we are distributing, and this we have the capital balances 152. Where we are getting this capital balances? This one, okay, 152, 667, 148. So we are making the journal entry for this. Clear? By two methods, for fluctuating and by fixed capital method, both. So this journal entry is basically for the distribution of profit and loss, and further we have, wait, this is your structure. This is basically a structure, a capital. You can write the expense and revenue and profit and loss, in which you are making the distribution by capital method, and second one, this is by your current account. So this is, you have to do problem, question